Ethereum has been correcting on this 4-hour structure for a while, but will we slowly continue the bullish trend to the upside or fall back to the downside? In this video, I will talk about Ethereum and share my price prediction for the future. Before we start the video, join my free Telegram group where I share daily analyses on Bitcoin, Ethereum and all other cryptocurrencies. First link in the description. Let's start with the weekly candles, and there we can see that after this last high here, seen a lower low form this bullish upward structure, and this after broke upwards here, which is a very bullish sign. After that, we were corrected a bit, we pushed upwards again, could rise, no higher high, form, but have not yet come to a deeper low. That means overall we are already in a bullish environment, but here again, not in a clear upward structure. On the daily candles, we can still see that we clearly saw this bullish impulse here, saw a little here, set a higher low, but not yet a higher high. And we were rejected at this last supply zone here, but still not in a lower low. That means we are currently in a range phase. As you can see, we've been moving sideways for several months, but soon we might have the chance to see bullish prices again. Because naturally when we saw this bottom here, we came here, the Ethereum news came out that we are getting an Ethereum ETF, which has obviously fueled the markets, and thus we have seen a short-term rise. And long-term, this is a very bullish sign. And I also think that this bull run, Ethereum, Bitcoin will outperform, because as we can see in 2021, Ethereum also outperformed Bitcoin. And after this longer bear market, we might soon see this breakout. So in this descending triangle, if we see a breakout here on the Ethereum Bitcoin chart, then the chance is high that we will see significantly higher prices for Ethereum. And as I said, fundamentally we got the Ethereum ETF. Ethereum is already a very good project, and if we use the Fibonacci tool here technically, last low to the high, we can also see that we have hit the 0.618 level here and got rejected upwards immediately. And of course we have this zone here where we saw the last highs, that is rather these range highs, we broke through. And if we naturally retest this, which we have done here, then it is a very bullish sign, and of course in comparison with the Fibonacci. That means we have just run into this last zone here, just this one. Saw candle wick, no candle body, it closed below, and since then we are rising again. And now it depends, we have seen a high here, a lower low. Only if we break this upwards, we have the bullish order flow on the 4-hour candles, which is very important. And if we, as mentioned, break this, then I think there is a high chance we will see an explosion for Ethereum. And currently we are, as mentioned, in a sub-uptrend, which is also a very bullish sign. That means I think we'll see significantly higher prices for Ethereum in the medium term, also of course long term. And currently we have again approached this last zone here. Even if here, take the Fibonacci tool again from the last one, we can see that we perfectly came into this zone, but I could imagine that we might again test the 0.618 Fibonacci level here as well. That would fit perfectly with this order block. And if we see a bullish reaction and price action here, it would be a perfect entry for Ethereum. However, it could also be that we come down here again, test this last demand zone here, and if we see bullish price action here, I think it would also be a perfect entry here. And as mentioned, in the medium term, these next highs will be the target price initially, and then we will have to see how we react. If we break through here, then it would be a symbolic sign. And if we get rejected here first, what is naturally possible would not be a bad sign at first, a slightly bearish sign, as I said, because from this high, we have fallen to this low. That means the chance of being rejected here is high. Of course, it could also happen that we break down here again to reverse this liquidity here. Take out these lows, run into this last order block here. That would also be very likely possibility. But currently I do not assume. I think we could already here see the trend reversal. If we break down here, that would also be, it's not a bad bearish sign. Only if we break these last lows to the downside, then I think there is a high chance that we will see significantly lower prices. However, as long as we do not break these lows at $2,800, I think that we are seeing higher prices. And as the next price target, if we are to break this order flow shift, these would be the last highs and this supply zone. Because as mentioned, we have also seen bearish reactions here. And if we break above this, the next level would obviously be target the all-time high around $4,868. In the bull run, I think we will see even higher prices, but that would be the next price target on this list. So folks, thanks for watching. I wish you success trading and see you in the next video.